Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. I went shopping at Joann Fabrics and Crafts and I got a lot of little goodies to show you, so let's get started. I made a little trip back to the back of the store in the clearance section, and I'm always finding little goodies back there at really great prices. And this is just, artificial leaves on kind of a bush, and I use these in some of my craft tutorials, but I also use them a lot in making little artificial flower arrangements in my home. Right at the front of the store, they had a lot of their spring Easter decor on clearance, and I saw this and I thought this was really cute. Now I'm not sure if it's supposed to be a mask or a little garden sign. It's one or the other, but I saw template into this because I could use this on making a pillow, maybe even make it on an Easter apron. So it's a great little find and it cost very little. In the clearance section, I found this decorative bias tape. It actually has a print on it. Usually when you buy bias tape, it's a solid color, but every now and then you'll find these. And I found these three, like I said, in the clearance section. But my main reason for going in Joann's is I needed some black piping and some black rickrack. I was in the middle of doing a project, thought I had some, and oops, I didn't have any. I also bought this blue piping. These are little tassels, and I like using these on the end of a table runner. But also people buy these for pillows. They put one in each corner. You can also make drapery ties using these little tassels on the end of your ties. This was also in the clearance section. This is a cross-stitch kit, and I really liked it. I thought it was really, really pretty. And on the back, inside, you can see that it comes with its own hoop and all the thread, instructions, and a needle. And this kit was just a little over $5. I have a lot of Patriotic fabric, but most of it now has gotten down to just little pieces. I can't really do much with those little pieces. So I refreshed my inventory and found these at Joann's. This one is probably my favorite. It's got the little gnomes on it, and I will be using this in a project coming up. And I like the star fabric. This is a nice little great addition to any Patriotic piece. This was really pretty. It had stripes all along it, and it has a little, what looks like gold glitter down in the print. I really loved this because I've been wanting to make a new little lap quilt for my living room, but I don't have a lot of time to do a lot of piecing. So this is kind of one of those where you cheat a little bit. You find this print, you can put a border on it if you want, but put binding on the edges, and there you have a quick blanket. This is home decor fabric, and that's where you'll find it, is back in the section where Joann's has all of their drapery and other home decor pieces. This was, I got the end of the bolt, and whenever you get the end of the bolt, let's say I asked for a yard, and if there's a yard and a half or a yard and 3/4, which in my case there was, I got the 3/4 yardage off at over half price. I think it was 70% off. So whenever they offer you the end of the bolt discount, take it. I'm going to be making a tote bag tutorial using this. This time when I went into Joann's, they had done a lot of restocking of their apparel fabric, because the time before last that I was in there, they didn't have a whole lot. I was very disappointed, but this is so pretty. It's very flowy. You can't see through it, which is nice, but as you can see, it'll make a beautiful blouse. I'm hoping I get time to work on it. I've bought a lot of apparel fabric lately. Haven't had a chance to cut into one of them, but I will. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul as much as I did. If you are interested in other beginners tutorials, scroll down to the description section until you see the word more. Click on that and it will expand open and you'll see all kinds of links to several of my different tutorials that I have. And one other note, did you know if you clicked on my face in that little round circle that's also below your YouTube screen, it will take you directly to my main homepage where you can view over 1,000 tutorials. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and make sure you check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.